Meaning of golf club.
Golf club.
Golf club.
Golf club.
Golf club. A golf club is a sporting equipment used in the game of golf to hit the ball towards the intended target. It is composed of a club head attached to a shaft with a grip at the end. The club head plays a crucial role in determining the direction and distance that the ball travels. There are different types of golf clubs, each designed for specific shots and situations on the course. Golfers can carry up to 14 clubs in their bags during a round of golf. Overall, a golf club is an essential tool that helps golfers achieve success in the game.